Okay, so after applying the Laplace transform, okay, this is for the armature loop, we have applied the differential equation, we have written, then EB equation we have taken up. After applying the Laplace transform, we get equation 1. Okay, now if you observe, you have EA of S, which is your input voltage Laplace transform, theta m of S, output displacement Laplace transform, IA of S, armature current. I want the ratio of output by input, theta m by EA I want. But I have one additional term here, IA. So I want to remove this. So substitution method we will try. This is only half part. I have applied the differential equation for only this circuit. Still I have to go for this mechanical part. Okay, let me apply the mechanical part equations and let's see I can remove this current element or not. Hope you understood. Only this IA I want to remove. Okay, for mechanical systems, okay, the shaft which is connected, how I can write the differential equation? Let me just show you what all things are connected. See, you have a torque applied, which is equal to, you have a J term, you have a B term, right? This is your mechanical part. So let us write the differential equation for mechanical part. That is, torque applied Tm I have taken. So Tm of T is equal to J d by dt square of theta m plus, I have not taken capital B, I have taken the F naught. You can use any symbol of your choice, F naught d by dt of theta m. Okay. Now further, I'm not finding any current term here, right? See, this equation also has the torque and theta, and equation 1 has got input and output, but additionally IA of S is there. So how can I remove IA? From the basics of these motor working, when you have seen, when you have studied the DC motors, it's working. For the armature controlled DC motor, the field current is kept constant. Important one, the field current is kept constant. I'm talking about this. जो भी हम मैग्नेट कनेक्ट किए हैं, जो भी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डेवलप हुआ है, ये IF एंड EF जो है, दिस इज कांस्टेंट. ओके, ये कॉन्सेप्ट हमारे पास है. सो व्हाट आई कैन राइट, so whatever the torque developed will be there. This is the equation directly given in your textbook. The torque developed, this is equal to KT into A, sorry, IA. This is given in your textbook. How you have got this? I have written here, I think from pencil you can see it. Torque is directly proportional to जो भी field apply हुआ है, the magnetic field develop हुआ है, flux, that flux into जो भी current armature circuit में flow हो रहा है. Okay, TM, torque developed, is directly proportional to the flux into IA. But we know that the magnetic flux is also directly proportional to IF, but in our case IF is constant, we know that, but this is in turn proportional to IF. If I remove the proportionality sign here, I will write equal, and ये sign जब proportionality निकल गया है, constant add करना पड़ेगा मुझे. I have added KF and IF. Once I do this, substitute this phi value here. Substitute it here. What I will get? Torque is proportional to phi का value क्या है? KF IF. KF IF IA. Okay. और ये proportional sign है, उसको आप remove कर दो. It will be equal to proportionality sign निकाल दिया तो equation है, एक constant add करना पड़ेगा. You take as KA. Okay. Take any constant KA. Then remaining three terms as it is. We know that field current constant है, ये IF constant है आपका, right? क्योंकि हमारे स्ट्रक्चर में हमने वैसा ही फिट किया है कि फील्ड करंट कांस्टेंट है. यू कैन सी स्ट्रक्चर. IF is constant. I'm repeating again and again. IF is constant. So that's why look at these three terms. you have Ka, some proportionality constant, you have Kf, one more proportionality constant, If क्या है, करंट है, वो भी कांस्टेंट है, सिर्फ Ia एक वेरिएबल करंट है. सो ये जो तीन कांस्टेंट्स हैं, I'll replace that with some constant Kt. That's why this equation directly is given in your textbook. Torque is equal to Kt into Ia. I will use, why I want to use this equation is, मुझे equation 1 में Ia का वैल्यू चाहिए, करंट का वैल्यू चाहिए. बट इफ यू सी, हमने जो मैकेनिकल सिस्टम को जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन लिखा है, वहां पे करंट है ही नहीं, थीटा है, टॉर्क है. सो टॉर्क रिलेटेड आई कैन यूज दिस बेसिक इक्वेशन, टॉर्क इज इक्वल टू Kt into Ia. Hope you understood how I got Kt into Ia. The explanation I have given you just now. So I can just equate both the equations. ये भी टॉर्क इक्वेशन है, ये भी टॉर्क इक्वेशन है. I will equate both. See, this is equal to this. So यहाँ पे मुझे current Ia मिल जाएगा. So taking the Laplace transform, J double differentiation है, S square theta S, F naught one time differentiation, yes theta S is equal to K into Ia. So यहाँ से मुझे Ia मिल जाएगा. So what is Ia is equal to, rearrange the terms, इसमें theta common ले लो, and you'll get this bracket term is equal to, or Ia is equal to, you'll get the ratio. अब ये जो value है, आप equation 1 में substitute कर दो, right? So substituting the value of Ia in equation 1. So this is your Ia value into, see, equation 1. Equation 1 has Ia into this bracket plus second term. Ia I have substituted into this value plus second term. I can take the LCM. So यहाँ पर मुझे Kt multiply हो जाएगा, and if you see theta m दोनों में है, तो take that common. So अभी मुझे output by input चाहिए. So take the ratio of theta by. This will give you the transfer function of your armature controlled DC motor. Hope you understood this. And you know, these terms I forgot initially to write. So I have written what these indicates. Circuit में Ia is armature current, IAF is field current, applied voltage, back EMF, torque developed, angular displacements, moment of inertia, viscous friction coefficient. Okay. And finally, जब आपका transfer function आता है, at the end, you know, try to write like this. क्योंकि हम systems के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. So transfer function आपका जो भी आंसर आता है ना, उसको यहाँ पे फिट कर दो. Okay, I will just put this blank. Okay, ये आपका transfer function होगा. For this example, ये जो भी है, this ratio Kt by this will fit here. Input क्या है? Ea of S. So write input here, Ea of S, and output theta m of S. So generally, after writing the transfer function equation, better you know represent in the form of a block diagram like this. बीच में जो system block है, यहाँ पे आपका transfer function लिखना है, जितना भी बड़ा हो, okay, उतना बड़ा diagram draw करो and fit in there, and input and output in terms of Laplace transforms. This is about the armature controlled DC motor. I'll be sharing this field controlled DC motor, this sheet in your groups. Try to go through it. I'll be explaining you. Just I want you people to study that and observe what are the changes. Okay, no doubt I'll be explaining you, but please go through it on your own first. Fine.